Hi guys, so today I'm going to review the Mehousa 24-inch large wooden circular knitting needles. They come in a beautiful organizer. You will receive a set of 3. $25mm, 20mm, and 15mm, which is the equivalent of 19, 35, and 50 in US sizes. The wood they're made of is very smooth. Okay guys, so let's see how easy it is to work with these jumbo needles. So this is a 15mm. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Turn your work around. Move the yarn to the back and knit all your stitches. Turn your work around. Move the yarn to the back. Knit all your stitches. Okay guys, so these jumbo needles seem to be very easy to work with. Very smooth. I like them. And also I'm very happy that the organizer has all these extra pockets where I can store the rest of my knitting supplies. I hope you guys find this review helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Please share and subscribe.